Hi, friends. Today we're going to talk about the difference between sales and marketing because most of us are confused between sales and marketing. Sales is the process of selling goods, but marketing is something different from sales because marketing is the innovative communication that you do to your customer. And the important aspects of marketing, if you look at the basic generic knowledge or general knowledge about the marketing, is about establishing a brand recognition. So if I am known to 10 people, the chances of me getting business is from 10 customers. But if I am known to over 1,000 people, the chances of getting business or the revenue generation would definitely be higher because my brand value is far higher than knowing just 10 people. So if I know about 1,000 people, but my product or my service is required by only 5 people or 10 people, so those 5 or 10 people would be my target audience. So if I have to talk about sales is something where I go to everybody, knock the door, try to talk to them, understand if I can sell my product. But unlike sales, marketing is something where I broadcast a communication through different mediums like online medium, offline medium, or hoardings, bus shelters, or emailers when it comes to digital space or electronic media, print media. So today we should differentiate what is the place my target customers are spending their time. So, if I don't know where my target customer is spending his time and spending his money, spending his effort, I might be in a risk of losing the opportunity of communicating to the customer. So, when I miss out the communication to my customer, definitely there are my competition or my competitors waiting to grab the opportunity. Today, including the world's biggest brand, if you ask me, Google does a good amount of branding, Facebook does a good amount of branding. So the people, whoever using a smartphone or an internet, or the person whoever is watching me here in the video, might definitely know what Google is, what YouTube is, what Instagram is, what Facebook is. So if I am reaching out a customer on a digital medium, my probability and possibility of reaching my target audience is pretty high because today everybody is using all the smart devices, gadgets, internet mediums on all these places. So everybody in the world is going digital. So if I am not meeting my customer over there, I have all the opportunity of losing out my branding or building my brand value. So as I was talking before, if Google and Facebook is spending lots of money on digital marketing or branding or advertising on across the other mediums, so where we should stand? So everybody, whoever is using internet, everybody, whoever is using a smart gadget or a smartphone or a smartwatch is prone to know that Google is available, Facebook is available, Insta is available. So if the known brand is doing so much branding just to ensure the brand recall value. So friends, let's understand where we stand and what are we doing. If we think that we are known to a good number of people, so let's look at Google and Facebook. So marketing or communication or branding, advertisement, or reaching out to your customers is a regular ongoing process. It's not one day activity at all. So if you have to communicate on regular basis, what is the probabilities or possibilities that you can talk? How many customers or how many prospectives in a day you or your employees might be reaching out? So today the option is the marketing or branding. Let it be a offline marketing or an online marketing, but out of sight is out of market or out of business. So if you are not visible, as in 2003, Mr. Bill Gates has told, if your business is not online, you are not in business. Give it a thought, guys. Today, everything, even you and me, everybody are depending on Google. If we need some service or some product, we don't go back to someone like good olden days where we go to the grandparents or elderly people and ask who is the good guy or who is the known person where I can reach and get the service. If we are not going to someone and asking, think about our customers. So are you visible on Google? Are you visible on social media wherever your customer is there? If you are visible, appreciate. You're doing a wonderful job. And then one more question. If you are visible to your customer, are you engaging your customer? Is your customer liking your product? Is your customer inquiring? Today I just been to a grocery shop. I was just standing by someone who was asking for a sunflower oil. He was not asking for a sunflower oil. He was asking for a freedom. Think when freedom has come. Very well before, there are good number of brands like Sundrop, Sunrich. There are good brands. But today people tell freedom or fortune for a refined oil, sunflower oil. People forgot the generic name of sunflower oil. They just go and ask the brand because every day they like it or they don't like it. It goes into their mind for at least 15 to 20 times in one single day. That's the power of branding. That's the power of marketing. Because if I go as a salesperson, I might not be repetitively going to same customer every day. Nobody allows. But whereas a marketing communication, I can do it with different mediums. So that's how the more number of visibility, the more number of customers, the more brand recall value I build, the faith and trust factor and credibility builds, thus my brand establishes. Once I am established as a brand, I can sell very easily because people know my brand. So for knowing your brand, please ensure you have a firm and strong market strategy. So if you know how to communicate, what to communicate, and when to communicate, please strategize. Do a proper content, share it across offline, online, and digital mediums so that you will reach your customers. So once you reach your customers, then your business starts. So let's not panic about the offline situation or scenario now. Let's utilize that. Let's be happy. We have a very wide opportunity that people are going online now. So let's get started today, now, and understand what all we can do, how we can do, and how can we engage. So in further videos, friends, I'd be talking in depth of marketing and strategies. I'm trying to give most of the knowledge that I've acquired for these many years. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.